Libra Scorpios. We have the search here, feeling lost, confused, lonely, number 6. We have the 7 of Cups here, and we have the Lovers. This is an emotional one because, like, the search means that, like, you're in between. Maybe you unsure about a love connection or perhaps its direction in life. You know, the 7 Cups is of choices. It could be possibly confusion. And with the Lovers here, it's like saying, follow your heart and not your fear. And even as Venus opposes Neptune, that's happening next week, Spirit is also like saying that not everything is clear yet, but just to trust the connection that feels so deep and that's not surface, that you are finding your truth in love.